Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix on Roblox this experience is unavailable in your region for some reasons. So I'll tell you how to solve this issue. So first of all, you log in your account on Roblox in a browser on PC or laptop, and once you're logged in, simply click on this setting icon and click on settings. And once you go into settings, make sure you add your email address, and from here choose privacy and content maturity. Go into this setting, and from here content maturity, click on this and make sure this is set to moderate. If this is set to like restricted, so make sure you set it to moderate and go back, and from after that make sure you go to communications, and from here experience chat, and make sure experience chat set to everyone, direct chat set to everyone. If any of this is set to no one, make sure to set it back to everyone and save your settings and go back. After that, open this party option, and from here make sure this is set to friends. If any of this is set to no one, set it back to friends. And after that, you can also try parent control. So that is how you can manage your child Roblox experience. This option will be available once you like verify your email. As you can see, I have not verified my email address. So once you verify, you will be able to access this option. Or if this does not work, simply use any VPN and your issue will be solved.